Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will help you connect to Wi-Fi even when you are blocked. First, it's important to understand how Wi-Fi networks might block access, often through methods like MAC address filtering. You'll need to determine if your device's unique MAC address is the reason for the block. Once you have a clearer picture, we can explore effective strategies to bypass these restrictions and get you online. One effective technique is MAC address spoofing. This involves changing your device's unique hardware identifier to one that isn't blocked by the network. You can often achieve this using built-in operating system tools or third-party software. A clever approach is to find an unblocked MAC address from another device already connected to the network and use that. Virtual private networks, or VPN, are excellent tools for bypassing network restrictions. A VPN encrypts your internet traffic and routes it through a server in a different location, effectively hiding your true IP address. Similarly, proxy servers can reroute your connection. When choosing, always opt for a reputable VPN service to ensure both security and reliable access to the internet. If direct methods prove difficult, consider alternative connection strategies. A mobile hotspot from a smartphone or another device can provide immediate internet access. Portable Wi-Fi extenders or travel routers can also create a new, unblocked network. Finally, always keep an eye out for public Wi-Fi networks in cafes or libraries, which often offer free and open access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.